Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo Find X5 Lite. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on Android smartphone. Following that, select Receive on Oppo over here at the bottom and click on Send on an Android at the bottom left corner. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select Send. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time to do it now, so I'll go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now on Oppo, select Yes I agree or No thanks. Then close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Oppo, then selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at this code. Or we can input this key over here and click on Receive. Either way, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!